Is it possible to be spiritually aligned while also focusing on your professional goals?
People have a very big misconception about spirituality. You don't have to awaken your spirituality. You know, we are all born spiritual.
Meet Meena Mahajan, fondly called Meema or Guruma. She gave up her background in forensic science 30 years ago to delve into the mystic world of spirituality. An ardent Shiv sadhak, a modern proponent of ancient wisdom and application in daily life, as the founder of Siddhi Philanthropic Foundation, she has devoted her entire life towards the well-being of humanity by teaching them spirituality with the context of modern day life.
So being an adult is like adulterating yourself. जब हम बड़े हो जाते हैं ना तो हमें बोलते हैं अच्छा तुम खुश क्यों हो, कुछ हुआ है क्या, मतलब you
हाँ,
need a
कोई
reason
तो
to be
वजह होगी,
happy.
yeah.
हाँ, otherwise you can't be happy. See, mother is where everything starts with, which is the first Ramayana. And you know, people start to Google and they try to say that, oh, Valmiki की थी या तुलसीदास जी की थी. No. पहली रामायण वो होती है जो आपकी माँ आपको सुनाती है. The mother, the Shakti, the feminine energy, which has a far longer relationship with you. The 9 months, there's a lot of magic happening inside the womb, which a woman is completely unaware of. So the power that we have as women, the power that we have as feminine is completely dormant now. There's just one thing you need to understand. You need to get back to your true self, your original self that you were born with. And this is spirituality. Spirituality is nothing to do with being material or not being material. That's your choice. Today we see the rich and the wealthy very spiritual. If a rich person can be spiritual, why can't a spiritual person be rich?
I have noticed that women tend to feel a lot of guilt. थोड़ी सी अगर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी में यहाँ वहाँ कुछ हो गया तो बड़ा गिल्ट हो जाता है. तो जब इतना सारा बैगेज है, उसके ऊपर से आपको अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एज अ मदर भी निभानी है, बेटी भी निभानी है, बहन, फ्रेंड, एज अ वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल, ये सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज भी हैं. तो इतना सब होने के बाद स्पिरिचुअल आप कैसे रह सकते हैं? How do you ensure that you are your 100% in the material world while also aligning your own self with your own spirituality?
So the answer to that is actually very simple. It's not complex.